How to apply Thailand Pass step by step. We have been asked in the comment section in our previous video how to apply for Thailand Pass. Thailand has recently issued a new requirement for Thailand Pass. If you're a Thai national, you don't need a pass. However, if you're a foreigner like me, you need a Thailand Pass for your travel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel to see more informative videos about travel. Alright, let's get into the video without further delay. Documents. First of all, you need to have the following documents before you start the process. Number 1, valid passport. Number 2, valid vaccine certificate or vaccine pass if you are from Europe. Or number 3, if you are not vaccinated, then you have to have a negative PCR test 72 hours prior to travel. Number 4, travel insurance that cover the COVID-19 treatment up to $10,000. When you have all the documents ready, just type in Google tp.consular.go.th. I dropped this link in the description as well for your ease. Then click on the air travel if you are coming by air, and if you are coming by road or sea, click on land travel. Since most of the people opt to travel by air, so let's click on this. Here you can see all the new information here. I would highly recommend reading it. Now click on begin registration. As you can see, they have removed all quarantine options. Now it states no quarantine. Here you will have all the information I gave you already. Their recommended list of insurance companies, or you can choose any other insurance of your choice. Then click on select. Then click the box right below the page to accept. Then click on confirm. Then provide your travel plan. Suppose you are coming from the USA. Select the from the list. Provide your dates and flight number and then click on register and then confirm. On the next window, you will see the 4 tabs. Fill out all the information. I am filling all this information as an example. Then attach the passport file. If you're traveling with kids, click on add more and provide your details as well. Then click on next. On this vaccination tab, you will have to fill out your vaccine details. And if you are not vaccinated, select the PCR test from the drop-down menu. As many countries have an option for self-testing, if you have that, it won't work. As you can see, they required a professional antigen test. That means yours must be done and certified by professionals. They accept all kinds of files. You can simply take a picture of your test or certificate with your mobile and you won't have any issue. Then provide the test date. Now we have moved on to the insurance tab, providing your hotel address or wherever you are going to stay during your travel, then booking number and your duration of stay. Then upload your insurance document, then check the box below to certify. On the next page, you can upload any other information you have, but most of the time, you don't need to, so click on next. You will be given an overview of the information you provided them. Just double check it. Then click on submit. That's it. You will see a pop-up message that your Thailand Pass has been uploaded successfully. You will be provided with an access code. Please write it down or simply take a picture of it. You will receive a QR code, your Thailand Pass, in your mail. Here you have it all, a new and fastest method of Thailand Pass. If you find this information useful, please like the video and share it with your friends and family who intend to travel to Thailand. We will see you in the next one.